welcome back to WIG, or if this is your first time ever visiting my channel, I really am glad you're here and I hope you come back. Today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new wig from Raregen. This is Charlotte. It is part of their Daily Luxe collection. So if you want to learn more about this really cute edgy bob, then don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. This is Charlotte. It is part of Raregen's Daily Luxe collection. In the description box, I will link how you can find Raregen on social media, as well as a link to their website and a link to Charlotte. And I'll also give you a code that you can use that'll save you 15% off of this wig or any wig on their website at any time. So I purposely decided to film this review in front of my French doors at the back of my house with no artificial lights. There's no lights above me, no lights in front of me. It's just natural light coming in from my back door. And it is mid-morning. It's almost afternoon, so there's no harsh lights coming in. It's just a really soft light because I wanted to give you a true depiction of this shade. This is a true golden blonde. It is not platinum. So if you see platinum in any way on your monitor or your screen, it's not platinum. It is a golden blonde, and that's how they describe it on their website. They describe it as a golden blonde, part of their Daily Luxe collection, and a long-lasting color. So I've been wearing wigs for about 10 years now, and on occasion someone will say, "You look good in every shade and every style." No, I don't. Thanks for the compliment, that's sweet, but no. This is definitely not a perfect shade for me, y'all. Not every wig that is sent to me is ideal for me, and it's sometimes not a style that I would have chosen for myself. My goal is to objectively show you the style, the shade, so you can determine whether that would be a really good choice for you. It's not necessarily perfect for me, but it may be amazing on you. If you have a deep skin tone, or in the summertime, if you tan really golden and beautiful, this would look amazing on you. I have to really darken up my makeup, wear a bold lip, in order for this wig not to wash me out. If you are a fair skin tone and you just gotta have that golden blonde and you love that style, you can make it work. Just deepen up your makeup and wear a really bold lip and you can pull it off. As far as the style goes, you know, if y'all follow me at any time, you know I love the long curly styles with lots of dimension. But that being said, this is the fun part of wearing wigs, is changing your style. And so you kind of got to step yourself out of the box sometimes. And you know, you'll sometimes surprise yourself and think, well, I didn't think I would look good in that, but I actually like it. This is part of their Daily Luxe collection. I think that's ideal because it is an easy, everyday wear type of wig. You see how it has just these wispy layers that turn in towards the face. All you have to do is use either a flat iron, just go through the hair and then slightly curve the ends, or you can even use a hot air brush, a round brush. Really simple to do. You do not have to be really talented at styling your hair in order to achieve this style. It's very easy to wear and style, so that's perfect. And it's a 16-inch length, and if I'm wrong about that, I'll put it on the screen. I don't think it's 15. I'm pretty sure it's 16 inches. Now, I do love these bangs. I will say that because the older I get, this helps hide all that in there. So it is definitely a perfect way to disguise any of those things on the forehead that you're trying to get rid of, that you don't want to necessarily put on display to the world. It's cheap Botox, y'all. It also helps if you have a long forehead. I do have a long forehead. That's part of the reason why I wear wigs, is I have a long forehead with a receding hairline, and with a wig I I can disguise all that and it makes me look younger. So these are really cute wispy bangs, y'all. And they come pre-cut. I didn't have to cut them. I've had synthetic wigs that I've gotten before that have bangs, and they're usually always too long and I have to do some point cutting, but these were already cut at a really perfect length. And when you get the wig, it does have the lace and you'll have to cut it. So with a lace front, if you wanted to pull this back and wear it back clipped, you could do that. That would be really cute, y'all, to wear it that way. You're not limited to this style just because it's already cut in this style. You can take some pieces, twist it back, and pin it to the side. Do a half up, half down. There is ways that you can style this wig. You're not limited just because it is styled a certain way and intended to wear a certain way. You can still add accessories to it, change the style. You could pin it down low, pull some of these layers, use those layers that are in this wig, and it would be really cute to wear that way. So Charlotte is 130 density. It looks really natural in appearance. So let's take a look at it on all sides so you can see what it looks like from every angle. So you see that the layers are concentrated here at the front. You have the bangs, and then these layers get slightly longer as they go down the end of the wig, and they're very wispy and texturized. They do it on both sides. There are no layers here on the sides or towards the back of the wig. They're just concentrated here at the front, framing the face. Charlotte is made from 100% premium roomy human hair. It is Chinese hair. It's very soft and durable, and it is 130 density, so it's very natural looking and feels very lightweight on my head. Charlotte has an 8x5 inch melted Swiss Invisible lace front, allowing for that natural scalp appearance. You have pressure clips at the ears and a removable band for security. The average cap size measures 22 to 22.5 inch for circumference. You have a removable comb at the nape and hook strap adjusters that you can adjust in or move out to meet your circumference. I'll provide a link in the description box below where you can shop for Charlotte at Raregen, and they've also given me a code to share with you. It'll save you 15% off any wig on their website at any time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again right here at IB Wiggin. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.